Hello, Kuzambula. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kinga from Bhutan, and today, as a Sunday, and I thought of sharing the Sunday overview of my garden. This is the backyard that I plant all types of the plants which I've grown from the cuttings, like a geranium and bleeding heart, and the which are hardest plants that can tolerate the sun. And as now winter is coming, the geraniums and all the plants are growing in the better way. And this is my cherry tomatoes, which I save for the my kitchens to have a sweet curry. And this is my mini mogra, and this is my I got this new colors. It's in purple colors. This is my bougainvillea plant. And this is my chilies, which I've grown in this year. And yes, this is a dolly which I have harvested from this plant. See, they're having huge numbers of dollies on it. I have in that back part also. This part is my first page, and that we can see that at the backyard is my second batch. And there's something which I sown the seeds, and they're in the nursery stage. And these are my garden flower garden pots, which I most of the time I used to show. And these are some plants. And nowadays I'm so busy, and today also I have to go for a workshop, and I don't have any time that much. This is, I don't know what is the name of this plant, but I've done cuttings and they are growing so well. And this is my double geranium, and this is my fuchsia. So let's go with the plants which I've collected, my hanging plants. I would say this is my the variegated money plant, and another, this is a normal money plant, and this is the syngonymous. They are growing so well. And see my mini bougainvillea plants of a double patterns. They are growing so well in a small pots. And this is all my variegated plants. And as the petunias seasons is coming, and I haven't sown this plant, but they are growing so well. And this is my plant which is damaged by the insects. So these are all the collections. Normally I used to show all the details of this plant, but today I won't. Don't have that much time, so that's why I'm just taking a short view of my plants. And see my plants which I have grown from the cutting, and they are growing so well, and they have given me such a beautiful cute plant. And this is the plant which I have grown from the leaf like this, and they will turn like this after their flowerings. And these are my hanging plants. Yeah, friends, this is how I did my dressing. And so thank you so much for watching to the end. Bye bye, love you all. Please like, subscribe and share my video. Bye bye.